In this video, I would like to show you how to create a Bitcoin point of sale app and accept Bitcoin payments, Lightning Network payments, and perhaps altcoins if that's what you want. This is a very simple web-based point of sale app, and your customer will be able to pay to you directly to your wallet, which means there are no transaction fees, processing fees, sign-up fees. There are no third parties, middleman. Transaction will be peer-to-peer, just like Bitcoin is supposed to be. You'll need a few things in order to proceed with this tutorial. You'll need a BTCPay server, which can be self-hosted, or you can use some of free BTCPay host if you just want to experiment with BTCPay. Basically, BTCPay is free and open source server, which allows you to accept Bitcoin payments and become your own payment processor. Also, beside BTCPay server, you also need to create a store inside BTCPay server and connect your wallet to your store. If you do not understand any of these steps, I will leave a link where you can launch BTCPay server very easily in under 2 minutes, and I will also leave links on how you can create a store inside BTCPay and connect your wallet. For now, just watch this video, see if that's what you need in your retail store, and if it works for you, you can read the description of this video and follow the steps. I will leave everything as I said in the description. The first thing we want to do inside BTCPay server is to be logged in, of course. Then you need to go to apps, click on the apps, and let's create our first app. Apps in BTCPay are of course applications which allow users to extend the use case of their BTCPay server. Click create a new app button, give your app a name, I'll just call it T-Shop point of sale. And of course, if you have multiple stores, you can connect this particular point of sale to any of the stores. And of course, you can assign managers, users to that particular store. If all of this does not make much sense for now, do not worry, it's all covered in documentation. But basically, just choose the store which you want to use with your point of sale system, click create. As you can see now, app has been successfully created, and now we need to customize our point of sale. First, you can customize the title, the currency. If you want euro, you will change this to euro. I will leave it to the USD. Very important feature to enable, especially if you're using BTCPay in retail stores, is to enable shopping cart. So enable it here. You can select custom amounts for users. I will leave that checked. You can customize the text for each button and so on. So as you can see, it's quite customizable. I will not customize things too much. Very interesting thing is that you can also very easily choose the bootstrap theme and just leave a link here and it will change the appearance of your point of sale. As you can see, all of these fields are there for you to customize them, and you'll play around and figure out what works the best for your use case. And below it is your point of sale app. BTCPay will create a demo store each time you create a new app, just to give you a feeling on how that looks. So you can of course remove any of these demo products by clicking on the trash can or edit them if you wish. But let me show you how you can create a new product. Click on the add product button, add the name of your product, set the price for that tea, let's say $4, custom price, yes. Here you need to leave a link to the image. So let's say I want this image, I will just copy the link. Of course, you can add a brief description and click Save Changes. As you can see, red tea will be immediately added here. You can add a few more products, or you can delete any of the products. Below you'll see the template. It basically shows you all of the fields you selected. You can manually also add all of these products if that's something you want. And at the bottom you can see the descriptions of how you can embed all of these custom fields into your website. For now, we will just ignore that and click Save Settings once you're done adding your products. Once you save the changes, you will see that in the apps you now have one app added, and also you will see the store to which this app is linked. You can add an unlimited amount of apps, as I said, to a single store, or create a separate app for each of the stores. That really depends on your use case. But for now, let's just preview our app. Just click View. And here is how our app looks from the web browser on my PC. When a customer clicks on it, you will see it will be added to the cart and so on. I would like to show you how you can add this app on your tablet, because most of users will be using mobile phones or tablet for point of sale app. Be sure to remember this link, copy it and send it to yourself on your tablet. And let's now switch back to my tablet to basically showcase how the point of sale app in BTCPay works. Okay, as you can see right now I'm on my tablet. I entered the link from my desktop, but please understand that you can of course control BTCPay from your tablet. You do not need to go to desktop, it was just easier personally for me. I have the URL of my app, and let's say that I want to add this app to my home screen. So to do that, for Google Chrome in particular, go to the settings here, and then just find add to the home screen. And you'll see BTCPay point of sale, just click add. And it has been added to my home screen. So now I do not need to memorize this URL. You'll see that the icon will be on my home screen. So when I click it, it will be open right away. So let's say that someone now entered my store and want to buy a tea from me. Of course, they'll make their order. I'll click on the item they want. As you can see here on the right hand side, you have a cart. So they can add the amount they want to pay. You can enter discount for them, and when you want them to pay, you will need to click confirm. In that case, you will of course turn it over to them and they will see this page here. They can leave you a tip. Let's say that I want to leave a tip, so I'll click 15% tip, and if everything is good, I'll click pay. And when they click pay, your customer will be presented with the invoice. They can select here the payment method. Of course, you can do that for them. For instance, let's say that I want to pay this invoice in the Lightning Network. I will select the Lightning Network. After the invoice is presented to them, your customer just needs to pay it. For instance, I'm using the Zap wallet here. So I will click send, scan the invoice, and you'll see right away I can send it. I will confirm it, and the invoice has been immediately confirmed. That is how it works. You as a point of sale owner or the store owner can view this invoice at any time. You can export your invoices for accounting purposes and the payment will arrive right away to your wallet. Basically, BTCPay enables users to use a simple point of sale app for free and without any intermediates. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or you're an app developer and want to help us create a native app for Android and iOS, just feel free to join us on Slack. There is a huge community willing to help you out. Thank you for watching and bye bye.